And then here's a group work. So ito yung sample group work, ano? Ito yung first part. This is called the problem page. So dito, nakasulat yung pangalan ng leader and then yung members niya, 2 to 7. And then, bawat member gagawa ng isang problem. So dito, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 problems lahat. Okay, so sample lang ito. Ito mga problems na yan, galing yan dun sa previous video ko. I'm just showing you the format. Ngayon, yung gagawin yung problem, dapat sarili ninyong gawa. Okay? Sarili ninyong composition. Tsaka, make sure na challenging yung problem. Ano? So, bibigyan ko ng extra points yung degree of difficulty. Aside from that, make sure na yung problem ninyo, meron ding solution. Okay? So, ito yung first part. Ito yung problem. And then, isasubmit nyo ito sa akin sa April 21. So, that is after the Holy Week. And then, on the same day, etong mga first part na isinubmit nyo sa akin, ibibigay ko sa ibang mga groups for them to solve. Okay? So, bawat group may gagawing problem. And then sa April 10, 21, bawat group mayroon siyang mare-receive na problem set. Which leads us now to part 2. So, eto ngayon yung front page nung part 2. So, nakalagay dyan, solutions bar, yung leader, and then members. And then, isulat nyo din yung problem. So, yung leader, tsaka yung members. So, ang mag-fill up nito na is yung during the solving na, no? And then, eto na yung individual work. So, after receiving your problem set, yung member number 1, gagawin niya yung pipili siya ng isang problem. So, isulat niya yung problem, isulat niya yung pangalan niya dito, isulat niya yung problem number, and then, solving niya dito ng mano-mano. Okay? So, ang deadline naman nitong solution would be April 23. So, that is Wednesday. Ibig sabihin nun, yung leader, i-compile niya lahat ng solution, tapos yung front page niya is ito. And then, isasubmit ninyo ito sa akin ng April 23. Okay guys, so ulitin ko. April 21, magsashuffle tayo ng problem set. And then, April 23, isasubmit nyo sa akin yung solution. Okay guys, so thank you for listening.